Let's mosey 9 miles west to the bustling town of Falls City. It's one of those blink and you'll miss it kind of towns. So don't blink, or you'll miss out on the finest Polish sausage this side of the Atlantic, made fresh at Pollok's Market. Today I'm talking to Tim Bordowski, 5th generation sausagier. All right, Tim, what do we have here?
Right on top is our regular smoked sausage, our pepper jack, and then our version of boudin.
Boudin?
Polish boudin.
Oh, I'm from Southeast Texas, so boudin's a big deal down there.
Oh yeah.
That is amazing. Like a Polish sausage and some Cajun boudin had a baby. That is so good. And this is the classic?
Yes, sir.
What differentiates, say, Polish sausage from other things?
It's the seasonings, the process of making it, pure pork.
All pork.
Lean, whole muscles. We use quality cuts.
The Pollocks brought their family recipe for authentic kielbasa sausage over in 1854. And after generations of making it for family only, well, in the 1920s, they decided to go public. Talk about a family tradition.
In the 50s, my grandfather started a wholesale route. So they made a whopping, I think it said 100 pounds a week.
Like, what are y'all at now?
Usually about 11 to 12,000 pounds a week.
No kidding.
And that's a normal, slow week.
Now, you won't find Pollok sausage in every corner of Texas, because to ensure the quality, they only sell in places they can personally deliver. Man, Tim, it seems like you take a lot of pride in what you do.
That's the way we were raised. My son, who came aboard about a year ago, he's 6th generation.
6th generation. That's awesome, Tim. And what do you think your great-great-grandfather would say if he came in and he tried this?
I think he'd probably take the plate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, Chet, you've tried the sausage. You want to go see how it's made?
Yes, I do.
Well, let's go.
Before we head in, we must don the finest of sausage factory fashion. Cowboy hat optional. Let's step into Tim's world.
Here's where the magic happens.
Oh, yeah!
Back here, our mixer grinders, seasoning. It gets put in the hoppers here. It's stuffed out onto these tables where it's made for each different customer.
This process has been modernized a little bit, but it still takes a lot of people's hands.
It takes a lot of work.
They say you don't want to know how the sausage is made. I disagree.
Chet, if you're going to be back here, we're going to put you to work. Let's make some sausage.
What? How hard could this be? I've eaten enough of it.
All right, Chet, this is Holly. And what she's doing right now is stuffing out our #1 product, which is our wedding brand sausage. It's a fresh raw sausage.
Did you call it wedding sausage?
Yes, sir, wedding. It's a Polish tradition.
It's even packaged as a heart. Definitely the most romantic sausage in Texas. Okay, I'll go for it. Pressure's on. Okay. Oh! Oh! Look at this! Uh-oh, we got a popped casing. What? No, no, no! That wasn't me! Back in the sausage! Back in the sausage! What do we... Did I just ruin all of this? No, no. Okay.
Leave it there and I'll take care of it.
I was honestly trying to do that the right way. Oh, that's embarrassing. I'm just gonna walk away now. I'm sorry. Yeah, you'd think after all the sausage I've eaten, I'd be better at that. I guess sometimes it's best to just stick with what you're good at. Now, Pollok's offers a full-service lunch counter with burgers, barbecue, even chicken fried steak. But when in Polish country. All right, now it is time for a proper Polish lunch. I got a chopped beef sandwich, but it's not just beef. It also has little bits of the sausage chopped up in there. And then Tim boiled me up some of the traditional wedding sausage. Oh.
I need you to try 2 things here. Polish people love those 2 things to go with it.
Syrup and mustard? Not at the same time, huh? Okay, good. I would give it a shot if it was a thing. Okay, here we go, in the syrup. Oh yeah. There we go. Like, you dip it in syrup, it's a breakfast food. You dip it in mustard, it goes any time of the day, lunch, dinner, midnight snack. All right, now some Pollok's chopped beef. Oh, that's good. You know, I love it. In one hand, you can be eating the food they've been having here for, over 150 years. And then the other, you've got sort of the modernized, Texified version of it. And it all goes together, because it all goes right in my mouth. Oh. That, my amigos, is how the sausage is made and eaten. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.